Hi guys, this is Onida's 6.5 kg washer. We are going to show you how to set up and install in a few easy steps. First, unpack the carton and take out the bottom panel. Open the lid of the drum and remove all the additional accessories and manual and keep it aside. Remove all the wrappers including the polystyrene base. At the back of the machine, unhook the power cable and drain pipe. The drain pipe has two ends. One end will already be connected to the machine. Connect the other end to the drainage. Keep in mind that the height of the drain pipe should be less than 10 cm from the machine's feet for an effective water drainage. Now let's connect the inlet hose pipe. Connect one end of the hose pipe to the inlet of the machine. Make sure it is well fitted. Now connect the other end to the tap to feed water into the tub. Connect the power plug and turn on. You have now installed the washer by yourself and good to go. Now put in your clothes in the drum. Turn on the tap to fill the tub to the desired water level and you are all set. Now, select your desired wash time and cycle and experience a comfort wash on your clothes with the Liliput washer.